Cattle panel greenhouse mistakes. I made them. Here's what I learned. First thing, leveling. I can't stress this enough. You really got to get that ground level before you even start building. I kind of thought I had it, but when I started bottom watering my 1020 trays, some seedlings were getting way too much water and some were drying out. It's all about even water distribution, and you just can't get that if your base isn't level. Take the time to do it right. It'll save you a lot of trouble later. Next up, squaring the base. This goes hand in hand with leveling. You got to make sure those corners are square. The best way to do that is to measure diagonally, corner to corner. If those measurements are the same, you're good. If not, adjust until they are. It seems like a small thing, but trust me, if you don't get this right, everything else is going to be harder. You'll be fighting it the whole way, and nobody wants that. Weed fabric. This one's simple but important. Extend it out past the base further than you think you need to. I'm talking a couple feet at least all the way around. I skimped on this and I'm paying for it. I'm constantly pulling weeds inside the greenhouse. It's a pain. Just do it right the first time. Save yourself the headache. Painting the frame. Okay, I know nobody likes painting, but seriously, just do it. It's an extra step, but it's worth it. It seals the wood, protects it from the rain and the sun, all that stuff. You want this greenhouse to last, right? So give it a coat of paint. It'll make a big difference in the long run. Mulch for your floor. Don't do it. I did, and it was a mistake. First off, mice love it. They'll move right in and make themselves at home. They'll dig up your trays, eat your seeds. It's a mess. Plus, it takes away headroom. You're already working in a confined space. You don't want to lose any height. Use pavers instead. They're clean, they hold heat, and mice don't like them. Problem solved. Oh, and another thing, don't use zip ties to connect the cattle panels together. Just say no. They're not strong enough, and they'll break down in the sun. Use panel connectors instead. They're made for this. They're way more stable, and they'll make the whole structure more solid. So yeah, those are the main things I wish I'd done differently. It's all little stuff, but it really does add up. Building a greenhouse is a lot of work, and you want to do it right. Hopefully this will help you avoid some of the mistakes I made.